Hello, future developers. So, welcome to today's tutorial on commenting. So, commenting is a good way to tell your browser not to read the code or for you to have a document so that people reading your code someday can know what you are trying to achieve. So, as you see here, these are texts on our web page. We can decide to hide them using some um, code. Okay. So, I refresh this. It's commenting. So, we are going to start. Okay. So I want to comment out this line of code. So I'm just going to use the greater than sign, hyphen, hyphen, sorry, greater than sign, then the exclamation mark, and then hyphen, hyphen. Now I'll go to the end of the line that I want and hyphen, hyphen, and then a less than sign. Okay. So when I refresh my browser, this particular line of code shouldn't be seen. Okay. You can see it's disappeared. So just so we know that this, I'm going to change this to sun because we have a lot of moons. Okay, so I'm going to change it to sun. Then I'll refresh it and then it should get changed. Okay, so sorry. Okay, so when I refresh my browser, you should see everything back. So everything is back. Now let's go to commenting this whole text. So the greater than sign, exclamation mark, hyphen, hyphen. Okay, and then I'll go to the end here. Okay, hyphen, hyphen, and then a greater than sign. Okay, so this is very helpful so that if you are having a shared code, you have a lot of people or you're doing collaborative project, people know what you are trying to achieve. Okay, or you want your code not to be executed by the browser, you use commenting for that. Okay, so uh, yeah, so there's commenting for HTML using the exclamation, the greater than sign, the exclamation mark, and then the hyphen, hyphen. Okay, to get this achieved. Okay, so thank you and then see you in the next lesson. Thank you.